Hello dudes, welcome to TechTut.com. In this video, we are going to learn about printf statement, which is a very common library function and it is used almost in every program. So let us begin understanding printf statement. So printf statement is basically printf is a function which is basically part of the header file standard input output.h stdio.h. So the prototype of this function which is written in this header file is as follows. The return type of printf function is int. The name is printf, which stands for print formatted, and after that there is a format string which is a constant string, and then a variable number of arguments you can give. Usually how we use the printf function is like this. We write printf and within a set of double quotes we write the format string, and after a comma sign we write the list of variables or constant whose values needs to be printed. Printed to what? Printed to your standard output, which is your monitor. Okay. So this is printf statement, and let's take an example and explain it. Let's say you have integer variable v whose value is 10, then upload variable m whose value is 5.2, and a character variable c whose value is r. Let's say an array of characters a, where I have put hello as a string. Okay, so now I need to print all these values. Okay, so how do you write it? We write printf and we write the format string where you need to print the values of v, m, c and a. So if I write only the name of the string, then it will be printed properly. Okay, so how do we print it? For printing some value of variables, we need format specifier. Format specifier is like, it start with escape sequence. Escape sequence is here, percentage sign, and then for integer we write d, for character we write percentage c, for float we write percentage f, for character string we write percentage s, for double we write percentage lf, for long double we write percentage capital LF, and like this there are so many other type of variables, and we have different format specifiers for each of them. Okay, so how it operated, right? Here you need to write the format specifier in correct order, where this format specifier, when giving the output, it will be replaced by the value of the variable. In proper order you have to write. Okay, so this percentage f will be replaced by the value of m, percentage c will be replaced by the value of small c, the variable, percentage s will be replaced by the value of a. So what will be the output of this statement? It will be d, percentage d means the value of v 10, then the value of m which is 5.2, then the value of c which is capital R, and then the value of the string a which is hello. So this will be printed in your computer screen, right, which is your standard output. So you can even print any string by printf statement, which we have already seen in our first program and many other programs. Like here you can print hello TechTut, and maybe if your name is in some variable called name, then that will be string and this value will be printed here. Okay, so if your name is Vivek, then hello encrypt Vivek will be printed. Okay, this will be printed. Okay, so this is almost all about printf statement. This list of format specifier you can even find in the Wikipedia page of printf statement. I will give the link in the resources page. Okay, and if you do some operations in here in the list of variables, you can also do some operation like even you can print the value of b plus m here, like printf %d comma %d, and you write b plus m here and b multiplication m here. Okay, so we cannot write %d, right, because m is float, so the calculated value of b plus m or b multiplied by m will be float, so you have to write float. Okay, understood? Okay, so this value of b plus m will be printed first and then this value will be printed next. So it will be for 10, 15.2, comma 52.0. It will be printed. Usually here you can find that after the point, the decimal point, there will be 6 places. Usually 6 places will be printed. Okay. So another point I need to mention is that you have done 2 operations in your printf statement. So you cannot ensure which operation will be executed first. Okay. It depends on your system and the behavior is undefined. So b plus m can be executed earlier or b multiplied by m can be executed earlier. It's undefined. The behavior is undefined. Okay, so it's all about printf statement. If you have any doubt about printf statement, you can ask in our doubt section. Thank you for watching.